Hello mga be! Kita nito ha. Magwa-wax kami ngayon ni Judy. This is our first time to wax our kilkili pack. Bango! Ayan, busy din siya. Isa pa, show your kili-kili. Pack? Yes! Judy din po. Let's go! Basa muna tayo instructions.
Basa pag ganyan, nagtikangkang naman si Judy. Sige dahil, excited kayo eh. Ali daw be, if you only store it in room temperature, you can use it right away. If you store it to your refrigerator, make sure to get it at least an hour or more before using it to give time for it to settle down and soften. Apply powder. Also, din po last week in consideration. It's my turn. Let's go.
Basing matingala mo ano nagamas ko. Nagamas ko kay bahong baba si Judith. Siya.
Agay. Sunod-sunod si Julia. Agay.
Iipitan natin siya.
Tulog si ko. Kasuko na ko. Ulang pa siya day baga kay mong buhok dira.
Hindi, sige.
Nagi-atay ko.
Ikapoy ko sa tabok.
Try and apologize for my mistake, 'cause I just want you to know. Hope you might get right. Hope you hold your head.
Buligtad mo budak. Hello, perfect ka magbutang ron diya, day.
I've learned from my mistake.
Oh yeah.
Ang buot ni mo, Judy. O, tapos na. Yes, ma'am.